Hey, it's Brianna.
I'm Alyssa.
Okay, we're gonna do She's Ratchet.
Cause she is ratchet. She's stanky. Stanky.
OMG, what does she have on? She ratchet!
Her leg is front. It's all wrong. Cause she ratchet. I'm about to take this, have a picture. Got it. I'm about to put this girl on Twitter. I ain't got time for this. I'm too grown. Boy, bye. Now I got the shoes on. She ratchet. Ooh, I just wanna punch her in the face. Ooh, she ratchet. I can't stand her.
Ooh, she too fake.
And then tell me what I got. My Mr. Girl, what?
And it came with a sister girl. Yes, I'm pregnant, but still like a
club. In the middle of the foot. No, she's way up. Had to look cute today. Apple bottom jeans on boots today. Had to keep it in looking good because my baby daddy done made bail today. You checked today. Jack the parking, cha-ching, got the truck yesterday. Girl, get that glue there, go beef it up. Move, shred it, I'm always there. See, we got my food stamps, brand new piercing, brand new tat right here. The knife for this weed plus tax. Bow, been saying all the words, thankful up. Right that can't go up. Thinking that you're better than I am, more than you think that you're stupid. And slide my number, boy, bye. What is wrong with you? Oh, hey, girl. You look good today, girl.
Hey, girl.
Okay, we'll talk to you later, girl. OMG, what does she have on? She ratchet? Her leg is front and it's all wrong.
Cause she ratchet.
Give me the phone. Take yourself a picture. Got it. I'm about to put this girl on Twitter. I ain't got time for this. I'm too grown. Cause she ratchet. Not with those shoes, no.
She ratchet.
I just wanna punch her in the face. Ooh, she ratchet. I can't stand. Ooh, she's big. My name is Emanuela, but my girlfriends call me Kari. Let's have a future before 11 and pre-silly party. Yes, I am the best. You can't have this boo-boo story. Cause 2K is my future baby daddy. Mari, that's my favorite. Max, I press on the pen. I like them red bones. Pictures. New Ivy got glitter. Hit me up on MySpace, follow me on Twitter. Team Flip Phone, Team Chris Brown. If you don't shut it up, then it's Team Shut It Down. Team Bad Chick and Team with your man. If he's got a lot of money, then it's Team He's Paying. I mean, you might as well spend it on me because you ain't looking like nothing and you ain't looking like nothing, but you just, oh my God. Oh, trifling. OMG, what did she have on? She ratchet! Oh, it's perfect. All wrong.
She's ratchet.
Team phone. Let's take this, have a picture.
Ratchet!
Got it. About to put this girl on Twitter.
Cause she ratchet.
I ain't got time for this. I'm too grown.
She ratchet.
Boy, bye. Not with those shoes on.
She ratchet.
Ooh, I just wanna punch her in her.
Ooh, she ratchet.
I can't stand her. Ooh, she's too ratchet. Thinking you look good with the leopard skin. The leopard skin, boy, bye.